Reefer just nailed it, and we are here for the collaboration called Get Stamped. This is Hillbillies Creativities Group. We get to stamp whatever we want to. No theme, so this is the plate that I'm going to use. It is OM808. I got this off of Temu, where I'm an influencer. My code's going to be across the bottom of the screen. It is FAV, as in Frank Allen Victor, 41566. 41566. So I'll put that across the bottom of the screen. Here's the plate again. I'm going to be stamping with the pink here is what I'm going to use for my stork Flamingo. Flamingo, that's what he's called. The opaque pink sticky stamping polish. And then the palm trees, I'm going to use the opaque kiwi sticky. I think these are two beautiful colors. The bottles look like they're chipped, but it's not, it's a sticker. I think these are great colors by She Modern. I have got my jelly sticky stamper. It is reinforced. My scraper, which is also by She Modern. Got my lint roller off to the side, as well as my remover, my cotton claw, which I think I broke. Oh, good lordy. Okay, for top coat, I'm using iGel Beauty's No Wipe top coat. And I've got a tray of bling off to the side as well. So for our first nail, we are going to do the pinky. The pinky nail, we are putting the big palms, which are these right here. So we're going to dive right in. You don't need a lot at all. These little bottles are, just use what you need. Scrape low and slow. Get your stamper. Roll right over real light. You don't need to press down. Take your lint roller, a piece of tape, whatever you're comfortable using. I know I say this in all my videos, but it's for those who have never stamped before, who aren't real comfortable with. I know that there's all these ladies out here, they're like, we know how to stamp already, Shirley, but there are a lot of ladies who come across my channel who they don't know how. They don't know how to stamp. So this is for them. In case, you know, years down the road or whatever, that months down the road, next week, in an hour, they don't know how to stamp. Just in case. Just in case. I'm going to do the flamingo last, I think. So next, I'm going to go with this one right here. Right here. I think this one I'm going to use. This should show. I think so. Get this plate like I said off of Temu. You're not going to believe what I paid for. Take a guess. Take a wild gander. Take a wild gander and leave it in the comments below. And if I remember, I'll tell you later. Scrape low and slow. Let your stamper glide over ever so slightly, ever so lightly. Whichever term you want to use. I'm trying to start using my gloves when I'm stamping because, for one, the manicures aren't lasting so long. For two, on my nails, I have got, you're not going to believe what I got on my nails. I still got them sitting here too. Got a sticky stamping polish on my nails. I have got on Shifting Aquatic Purple and Green Sticky Stamping Polish by She Modern. It is beautiful. The pink and the green is the only two ones I have of these. God, I got 2 coats. And it's too expensive for these little bottles to be putting them on your nails later. So don't do as I did. Just take a gander at the end when I take my gloves off. Look what I did. Don't do it again. Don't do it. Just take it. It's really pretty. It's really pretty, but I I I don't want to say just. Oh lordy, I don't know what to do. I don't want to say don't do as I you know, I don't want to be the hypocritical one, but don't do as I did. Don't do as I. How does that phrase go? Don't do as I did. Do as I say. Because this is expensive. It's like $9 a bottle if you buy them just alone. I think this is the nail here. We're doing this one. Cover your image completely. I'll make sure I'm in frame. Low and slow for your scraping. Take your tape, lint roller, scraper, whatever you use, in credit card, driver's license. No, don't use your driver's license. That wouldn't be a good idea. Your nail. Line them up right. I'm going to put some bling across the top there because that's not big enough for the nail. Same with the index, I think. Now for the middle nail, our start nail. I'm going to clean this here. It's going to be so pretty, I think. So pretty. Let's clean my stamper. Where are we? Right here. Get my pink. Time this goes up, I want you to check out my Mask Monday from this past week that went up. I have opened up a beauty giveaway that's going to last until the 15th of May. I'm giving away 3 beauty masks. It's open worldwide. You must be subscribed to my channel. So head on over, check out that video, and go enter 3 beauty masks. Oh, that turned out so pretty. Look at that. Hope you can see this. Oh, that's so beautiful. So beautiful. That is pretty. So I'm going to pause, clean up my mess, and we will be back. Okay, we are back. The nails should be done. Are still sticky, but not as sticky as before. But I wanted to give them a minute. Here's my nails with the shifting aquatic jelly sticky stamping polish, especially modern. Wanted to give you a peek, give you a look-see. So beautiful. It's worn on the tips, yes, but I've had it on for about a week now. We're going to top coat now with iGel Beauty's. Top coat is a non-white glossy top coat. It's one of my faves. One of my faves. And here's our bling nail. Short nail's gotta be my favorite, I think. Gotta be my favorite. So make sure you go check out my Mask Monday from May 1st. there is a beauty giveaway. It's just 3 masks anywhere in the world. You just have to be subscribed to my channel. We're trying to get to 1,500 subscribers for a giveaway, a big giveaway. Trying to contact some companies to get them to whoa, Nelly. To get them to sponsor. Whoa, Nelly, let go, let go, let go. There we go. So, let me give some, what does Brandy call it? Shameless promotion time. Our plate. Our wax picker upper. Oh, let me put this on before I stick my hand in the lamp. I always forget. I have a UV glove that I got from Temu. My wax picker upper is from Temu. My stamping plate that I used, OM-808, is from Temu, which I think this plate is really super cute. I'm not sure what some of these, oh, this is a leaf image here. I like this flower image here. I think this is a great plate. I really do. It was, you're not going to believe it. I told you to guess and put it in the description box. 80 cents. 80 cents I paid for this. Thought it was pretty cool. I think that was a great buy. Great buy. My glove was $1 and some change for a set. I only stick one hand in the glove doing nails here. Remove some stuff. So, we're going to pop that in there. Give it a 60, and we shall return.